Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Justin from Justo Show, behind the scenes again. Uh, this video I am going to show you how to get your position your character to sit on a couch, chair, whatever you have to sit on properly. Why I'm doing this video? Because I was looking at one of my older videos. I think this was like this is when I first started, and you know, uh, I don't know what to say. I mean, he's supposed to be sitting on the couch, and a lot of people just ask me like, "What is wrong with his arm?" So he's sitting on the couch. So I'm gonna help you avoid that catastrophe. So I'm gonna pull up a scene that I have. Let's see. This scene right here is where I had my wife Jamie sitting on the couch. Now, I mean, this is what. Let me turn this off. So this is what we have. See, look at that, and then look at this. Now, this one a lot better, obviously, but yeah. So I'm gonna delete, if I can. Okay, she's down there. Actually, I'm gonna have Justin sit on the couch with her, even though this scene is already animated in the video. So I'm gonna have him sit on the couch with her. I'm gonna delete that. I'm not gonna save over it or anything, so it ain't gonna hurt nothing. So first thing you wanna do, position your character. Mainly the butt. The buttocks. This part. If you have that part. But most likely this part. So, just kinda rough it in there. I'm gonna have him sit down like this with his feet. So I kind of want this up here. I'm using the transform bone tool. That's pretty much my best friend. So I'm going to move these legs down to kind of, so it won't look like that, because that's kind of weird. So let me move this arm out the way, and then I'm going to move this. Now I kind of have I have a patch right here. Let me turn the bones off. I have a patch right here in the hips. Well, it's not really a patch, but it's like a bootleg patch or a feel. It's a shape in the hip that's. Well, no, it's actually above the hip, I think. We really don't need that, so let's put it down there. I'm gonna Alt and right click. Where is it? Yeah, it's a hip patch. So it's pretty much a copy of the hip, and then I kind of just shrunk it down to where it'll just actually cut off this line when it gets over here. Because since I was using Toon Boom, they had stuff that actually do that, and I was like, you know what, I can bootleg some stuff to do that. And in my rigs I have knees. So there's like, this is just a knee, and it's the same thing for the elbow. And this is why I do it this way, so I can have this line go up that way. Wait, do it both go that way? Actually, I think I want it to stay down here. I don't know. We'll. I guess it really don't matter. But sometimes you do want it to matter. It will matter. Let me see. Yeah, I actually want it to go that way. That way it'll kind of look somewhat. Alright, so back to my rig. I'll go back here. Now I'm going to just kind of position him to how I want it. You know what? He's also big too, because he was standing up here, so I didn't shrink him down. I need to shrink him down. so he can be about there, because he's further back, so he was too big. So now I kind of got to go back in and reposition him. So I'm going to take this root bone and just kind of reposition. I think I want to have him kind of like facing this way a bit. So I'm going to do this and move the leg this way. Move him down some more to about there. Now I want this leg to go here, but I'm going to foreshorten it. Then we're going to turn it like that. I'm going to put it up just a little more. Yeah, like that possibly. And we can put this, bring that down. And then I also have like a little piece inside this leg that covers up the line. No, it's actually the piece is actually in the hips. So because I just have a piece inside this part of the hip, but it's connected to this bone. So whenever I move that bone, it'll make that disappear. So I'll show you. See, that's what that look like, and then this is what the other part look like. So let's turn this off, and then I want to foreshorten that a bit, and then we're gonna move the knee like that, and he's still a little. This is a little better. So we want the edge of this to be in that corner. Now he's not really gonna be touching the ground because, you know, I mean, but it's covered up by this coffee table. This is our actual house too, or actual living room, just part of it. I did all this in Photoshop. I just, you know, cut some stuff up. This is a real photo of our painting over our couch. I don't really think I'm that tall when I sit down, but it's okay. I'm just showing you how to position your characters to sit. So like I said, I want him to go here, his leg to go there, so we got to push it back some more to line it up to about there. So, and then we'll bring that down just so you can't really see it, but I think I actually want this bottom knee, or bottom, no, that's a hand, that's arms, this to be, that take care of that line right there. So I want that to be there. So although he's sitting, he just looks very tall because he's not really proportioned right. I didn't scale him down correctly. You know, I have to do that on the first layer. I mean, I can actually do it on this layer. I mean, this frame. I can do it on this frame too. So this will be about right. But I have to move him up. So about there. Look like he's sitting. I can move him over. That way you can't see his legs. That's supposed to be on the floor. Let's see, what else can we position him to do? We can actually have him put his arm up there too. So we'll drag this up. And then he can kind of have it like this. About there. And then it's like he just, you know, chatting with his wife, or my wife, while she not paying attention to me. Like, hey girl, I'm talking to you. Hey. If you can actually make it look like your character's rotating if you use these points to move your whole arm. Like, you see, like, it looks like his body is twisted. Very uncomfortable pose, but you know. And if you want, you can actually create a switch layer to have it to where it'll cut this line off. That's what the professionals do. But I'm not going that deep into it. Since it's just me animating, that's just what I'm going to do. So, yeah, this is pretty much how you position your character to sit correctly or comfortably. See, look like they're just chatting on the couch. And if you wanted to add some shadows under here and some wrinkles in the couch, or well, unless you're sitting in a hard chair, you can still add some shadows. But my characters are not gonna have shadows. The last characters did, but you know it takes more time to do everything. Now I kind of cheated and had everybody have like this shadow on the side of their face. That was just my thing. But I'm not doing that with these characters. These are just going to be like flat characters. Flat cartoon. I kind of want to clean that line up. Actually, the line's supposed to be there because that's how you know it'll be in it. If this line not there, it'll look... I guess it'll look alright. Even if you didn't have a line. But the line kind of makes it... It makes it alright. So, yeah. Then, you know, you can have him put his hand on his leg. Like, ah, my knee. Ah, my knee. Or, I can have him hold on to that part of the couch. This is how you position your characters. So, yeah, this is a short video on how to do that. It's all about shrinking, and I can grab it. Well, I can grab the hand, but I don't need the hand. I don't need that. Well, that's because this is too close. So it's all about shrinking and just making it look right. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. I'll put up some more tips and tricks for you guys. Let me know in the comments, like, if y'all want me to add music in the background, or y'all want me to add an intro. I mean, nah, no intro. This is gonna be raw behind the scenes. You know, just to kind of help you guys out and just to show you some tips and tricks to better your animation. So I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.